ready. You're impatient and hot-tempered, and more importantly, I'm better than you. Oh, you know something, big brother? I'd have to disagree with you on that one. I got 100 on my dash, got 200 in my trunk. Name in the grab bags, put my Bible in the trunk. Like a cracker on the top of my binocular. How can I make them popular? Pop 'em when I...
Wait, you don't ever shoot!
I don't need to shoot, I got my ball!
No fear!
Living with anxiety, ducking fucking up the system, I ain't fucking with some...
Not being used to my full potential here, Leo. Hey, just chill, Raph. We're a little busy. Guys? They're coming back. Enough! It's time to take out the trash.